Welcome to SBK Group, your trusted partner in global e-commerce success. Today, businesses can sell products to customers anywhere in the world. E-commerce has transformed the way people buy and sell. At SBK Group, we help businesses grow on the world's biggest marketplaces. Millions of customers shop online every single day. With one click, an order begins its journey. Products are carefully selected from inventory. Each package is prepared for fast and secure delivery. Global logistics connect businesses with customers worldwide.
Fast delivery creates satisfied customers and repeat business. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. E-commerce means buying and selling products through the internet. There are different business models designed for different markets.
Online businesses can grow faster than traditional stores.
Your products can reach customers across the globe. An online store works 24 hours a day. E-commerce reduces many traditional business expenses.
Smart strategies can increase profits and business growth. Amazon Marketplace. Amazon is one of the largest online marketplaces in the world.
Seller Central helps businesses manage products and orders. Uploading a product. Professional product listings attract more customers.
Strong keywords improve product visibility. High-quality product photography. Professional images increase customer confidence.
Clear titles help shoppers quickly find your products. Feature bullets appearing. Detailed descriptions answer customer questions.
Enhanced content builds trust and improves conversions. Inventory management prevents conduit. Inventory management prevents stock shortages.
Competitive pricing attracts more buyers. Advertising helps products reach more customers.
Positive reviews build credibility. Efficient order processing keeps customers happy. Shopify makes building an online store simple. A professional website strengthens your brand.
Safe payments build customer trust. Social media marketing expands your audience. Short-form videos can generate massive sales. Search advertising reaches customers with buying intent. Email keeps customers engaged and informed. Search engine optimization increases organic traffic. Data helps improve business decisions. Tracking performance reveals growth opportunities.
Improve customer satisfaction.
A strong brand stands out from the competition. Professional packaging leaves a lasting impression.
Private labeling builds long-term brand value. Wholesale expands business opportunities.
International shipping opens new markets. Planning and teamwork drive success. Automation saves time and improves efficiency. Artificial intelligence is changing e-commerce.
Innovation creates new opportunities for growth. SBK Group, managing multiple marketplaces. SBK Group helps businesses manage every aspect of online selling.
We create professional product listings that convert. Our marketing strategies help increase visibility and sales. We monitor performance and optimize results. Our clients achieve sustainable growth across international markets. Every success starts with the right strategy. Together, we help businesses reach their full potential. Join thousands of businesses embracing the future of e-commerce.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more e-commerce insights. And let SBK Group help you build your success story.